Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I have this question on matrices that says given that m is equals to 1, 4, 2 and 3 and n is m, x and y and mn is 2, 1, 3, 4, find the matrix n. Okay, so bringing the matrix m n, it is equals to 2, 1, 3, 4 and equate it with m n, which is equals to 1, 2, 4, 3 and mx and y. You can carry out this multiplication, hence this will be equals to 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, so let's carry out the matrix multiplication of this value here. Therefore our mn is equals to 1 times n plus 2 times n. So that will give us 1 times m is m plus then 2 times n will give you 2n. So that gives me the left hand side. So let me go to the right hand side, which has to do with x and y multiplied by 1 and 2. So 1 times x will give me x, and then 2 times y will give me 2y. Let me go to 4 and 3 now. 4 times m will give me 4m plus 3 times n give me 3n. I'm going to x and y now. 4 times x will give me 4x plus 3 times y will give me 3y, and it's equals to 2, 1, 3, 4. All right, so if we equate this left hand side of the equation to this right hand side of the equation, we observe that m plus 2n is equals to 2, and call this equation 1. Again, 4m plus 3n, 4m plus 3n will be equals to 3, so we can call this equation 2. All right, so let's also do that to this side of the equation. So x plus 2y will be equated to 1. So we have x plus 2y is equals to 1. We can call this equation 3. And then equating this to this aspect, we have 4x plus 3y equals to 4. 4x plus 3y is equals to what? 4. We can call this equation 4. All right, so let's solve this aspect first. We can start from anywhere anyway. So here we can say from equation 1, our m will be equals to 2 minus 2n. So this value can be substituted into equation 2. Therefore, we'll be having 4, open bracket, our m becomes this value, 2 minus 2n, then plus 3n is equals to 3. So let's expand the bracket now. 4 times 2 will give you 8. This is also 8n plus 3n is equals to 3. When we collect like times, we have minus 8n plus 3n is equals to 3 minus 8. Solving this, we're going to be having minus 5n is equals to minus 5. This minus will cancel this minus, so n is 5 divided by 5, which is 1. So if n is 1, we can substitute it into this equation. If I call this equation a, we'll substitute this into equation a to get our m. So m will be equals to 2 minus 2 into 1, which is 2 minus 2 gives you 0. So our n is equals to 1 and m is equals to 0. Now let's solve for x and y. We can also follow the same step. We can say s is equals to 1 minus 2y. We can call this equation b, right? So if we substitute equation b into equation 4, we'll be having 4 into x is already 1 minus this 2y, then plus 3y is equals to 4. Expanding this bracket, we're going to have 4 minus 8y plus 3y is equals to 4. So if we collect like terms, we have minus 8y plus 3y will be equals to 4 minus 4. So this value minus 8y plus 3y will give you minus 5y, and it's equals to 0 because 4 minus 4 is 0, right? Yeah. So we divide both sides by minus 5, so y will be equals to 0 divided by minus 5, which is also 0. Therefore, s is equals to 1 minus 2y. So if we substitute the value of y as 0, we have y minus 2 into 0, which will be 1 minus 0, which will be 1. Hence, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 0. So the matrix which they asked us to look for, which is n is equals to mx ny, will then become m and n is 1 and 0. So m is 0, n is 1. And then x and y, we got them to be 1 and 0. So x is 1 and y is 0. This is our matrix n. Thank you and bye for now. If you have any question, please you can ask. And have a nice day. Bye. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, remember to turn on your notification, share and comment so that next time I'll get you in place. Bye.